Hey y'all, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas. So today for you, I'm showing this really easy Valentine's nail art manicure. It's basically just hearts and X's and O's. So if you just want to wear hearts, you could totally just do that part of the design and move along. But I'm going to show you how to do this full look. So let's go and check it out. First off, you want to start by applying your favorite base coat. Today I just use a peel off base coat, but I already have that on. Right now I am applying just 2 coats of a white polish. This time I'm using Zoya's Snow White because it was on the top of my desk, because that's what I just grabbed for. And that is 2 coats. As you can see, it's a little more milky than some whites, but I feel like that just gives it a calmer white look on the nail. I'm not sure, does that even make sense? But that is what I did. Next up, I'm going to go grab a thicker nail art brush, not like a super tiny detail one, and go with some red acrylic paint just to create some hearts. At this stage, you can do them free-handed like I'm doing here, or you could use the method of like doing 2 dots at the top and then using a V to connect the dots and make your heart. Whatever works for you is perfect for this step. And I just do about 3 red hearts on the nail. As you can see, like one's off the edge, one's kind of in the center to the side. That's kind of contradictory. But and then I'm going to go ahead and put one off the bottom of my nail and just kind of shape those, fix anything that may be weird about them, and then move along. The next part, I'm going to grab some pink acrylic paint, water it down a little bit, and just do some V's. But since it's watery, it's going to come out a little more rounded, more like a heart shape. And I'm just going to let those dry so it has a watercolor-like finish, just to give some contrast in the hearts. Next up, I'm going to take my black acrylic paint and a fine nail art brush and just sketch some X's and O's all over the nail. I think I averaged 2 X and O's, not 2, but like 2 sets of them on each nail. Some of them had 3. It just depends on the size of your nail, the size of your hearts, so you can gauge that as to however you'd like. And then after that, you can apply your favorite top coat. I would suggest matte. It does look really good with this design, but if you want to do shiny, it looks really good as well. So here is your final look at this manicure. Again, it's super easy, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. I feel like this Valentine's Day is sneaking up on us, but I've got you guys covered. Also, today I am being featured on a blog, and I'm going to have a pictorial for a cute love letters Valentine's nail art design. So I'm going to have that linked below or linked on the blog post, just kind of whenever it goes live. I will share a link on my social media so you guys can check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!